ओम यद्विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तं नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 86, सेकंड पैराग्राफ इन टीका। ननु अनुमितिकरण व्याप्ति ज्ञाने, बिफोर दैट व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, व्याप्ति ज्ञानम वन्य विषयक ज्ञानांश न तो पर्वत विषयक ज्ञानांश। वन्य विषयक ज्ञानांश मीन्स वन्यम अनुमिनो, that part, because parvata is already pratyaksha, so pratyaksha does not become part of vyapti jnana. ननु अनुमितिकरण व्याप्ति ज्ञाने का व्याप्ति ही इति अपेक्षायां व्याप्ति स्वरूपम आह। अनुमितिकरणम व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन करणम. So ka vyaptihi, when this question comes, then the answer is given vyapti swarupam aha. व्याप्तिश्च अशेष साधनाश्रय आश्रित साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा. अशेष साधन आश्रय आश्रित साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा व्याप्ति. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. साधन मीन्स हेतु. साधन आश्रय विल बी पक्ष. तस्मिन् आश्रित विल बी साध्य. सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा. देयर सामानाधिकरण्य. And sadhana is ashesha sadhana. Means for all sadhanas this will be true. See tika. So ka vyapti hi, 1 number tippani there. Vyap अनुमितिकरण व्याप्ति ज्ञाने स्वीकृते का व्याप्ति ही. Such part is also there. अशेषम अशेषम च तत् साधनं च. तस्य आश्रयः तदाश्रितम् यत् साध्यं तेन समं हेतोः सामानाधिकरण्यं रूपं यस्याः. अशेषम सी समास विग्रह. अशेष साधन. सो अशेषम च तत् साधनम च इति अशेष साधन. देन तस्य आश्रय. व्हाट विल बी द समस्त पद? अशेष साधन आश्रय. अशेषम च तत् साधनम च इति अशेष साधनम. अशेष साधन तस्य आश्रय अशेष साधनाश्रय तद आश्रित अशेष साधनाश्रयाश्रित. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
अशेष साधन आश्रय आश्रित. Ashritam yat sadhyam, that anuswara is there. Huh? Yat sadhyam. So it will become ashesha sadhana ashraya ashrita sadhyam. Tena samam. Samam. Last time somebody had asked me, what is this samam? Tena samam. In English, how will I explain? Along with it, if you say. साध्येन समम हेतोः समानाधिकरण्य. साध्येन समम हेतोः समानाधिकरण्य. साध्य के साथ, इन हिंदी इट इज इजी, साध्य के साथ हेतु का समानाधिकरण्य. साध्येन समम हेतोः समानाधिकरण्य. हेतुज सामान्याधिकरण्यम is with साध्य. सामानाधिकरण्यम रूपम यस्याः यस्याः सा व्याप्ति, that is called व्याप्ति. No, not equivalent. साध्येन समम मीन्स साध्य के साथ, साध्य के साथ हेतु का समानाधिकरण्यम. That is what is meant. सा साधनता अवच्छेदकावच्छिन्न साधनाश्रयाश्रित साध्यता अवच्छेदकावच्छिन्न साध्य समानाधिकरण्य रूपा इति यावत्. अशेष साधन is given, therefore साधनता अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न. साधन means हेतु. साधनता अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न will be what?
Sadhana.
Sadhanam. Which sadhanam? Samasta sadhanam. All sadhana. Like if I say ghatatva avachedaka avachinna will be what?
Ghata.
All ghata. Samasta ghata. घटत्व अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न will be समस्त घट. साधनता अवच्छेदकता अवच्छिन्न will be समस्त साधन. So whatever is hetu is included in this. साधनता अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न. साधनता अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न sadhana means all sadhana. In its ashraya will be ashrita. Sadhyata avachedaka avachinna sadhya means all sadhya. Whatever becomes sadhya, anything that has sadhyatvam is sadhyata avachedaka avachinna. पर्वतत्व अवच्छेदका अवच्छिन्न will be what? समस्त पर्वत. So why this approach is used? It is to include all sadhya and all sadhana. अवच्छिन्न साध्य समानाधिकरण्य रूपा इति यावत्. People think, what is this avachedaka, avachedaka. It is why you are adding unnecessary words. It is not like that. If I say Parvato Vanniman, I am proving Vanni on one Parvata. But if I want to say Sarve Parvataha Vannimantaha, so my avachedaka is all Parvata, Parvatatvam. Yatra yatra Parvatatvam, tatra tatra Vannitvam. This is what I want to prove. If there is a Parvata, there will be Vanni. Because there is Dhuma. So then you cannot say, you have proved Vanni on this Parvata, but you have not proved Vanni on that Parvata. This is the Upayoga of Sadhanata Avachedaka Avachinna. This much you keep in mind. Now see Tippani number 2. So I think you got some basic idea. Tippani, always you will see these Tippanis are very beautiful, and he puts every word from the example in the definitions like this, and he makes sure everything fits in. So these Tippanis are doing miracle. Vanniman Dhumat. Vanniman Dhumat. Is it Sad Hetu or not?
Sad Hetu Swamiji.
If I ask, is it Sad Hetu or not? You should just say yes. You don't have to repeat Sad Hetu. Vanniman Dhumat. Sad Hetu?
Yes.
Yes. What is the Hetu?
Dhumatvam.
Dhuma. What is the Sadhya? Vanni. So see now this pankti. Vanniman Dhumat. Iti atra sadhanam dhumaha. Sadhanata. Sadhanata will be where? Sadhan. Huh?
In Hetu.
In Hetu. Hetu is Dhuma. Therefore, Sadhanata will be in Dhuma. Sadhanam Dhuma. Sadhanata in Dhuma. Dhuma Nishtha. Tadavachedakam Dhumatvam. Sadhanata in Dhuma. So Sadhanata is Dhuma Nishtha. Tadavachedakam Dhumatvam. Tadavachinnaha Parvatiya Chatvariyaadi Dhuma Vyaktayah. Tadavachinna are Parvatiya Dhuma, Chatvariya Dhuma, Adi. Adi means which word you will take now? What will you take for Adi?
Mahanasa.
Mahanasa. Mahanasiya Dhuma, Goshtiya Dhuma. So Tadavachinnaha Parvatiya Chatvariyaadi Dhuma Vyaktaya. Sadhana Rupaha. They are sadhana rupa. So what is sadhana? All dhuma vyakti are sadhana. तदाश्रयाः पर्वतादयः, that is the paksha, the आश्रय हेतु, तान एव आश्रिताः या साध्य व्यक्तयः, तान तान कान
साधन रूप
नो तान कान.
पक्ष
If my question is Khan, answer should be
साधनान और धूमान
पर्वतान
पर्वतान. तान कान पर्वतान. It is so easy. Tad ashrayah parvatadayah. Then tan will be what? Parvatan. What is the ashraya of Dhuma? Parvata. Tan parvatan eva ashritaha yaha sadhya vyaktayah. In this parvata are ashrita sadhya vyakti. Sadhya vyakti means vanni vyaktayah. All the sadhyas. ताश्चापि साध्यता अवच्छेदकम यद वन्नित्वम तद अवच्छिन्नाः एव. साध्यता अवच्छेदकम इज वन्नित्वम, तद अवच्छिन्नाः के
बखनयः बखन yes
वक्नयः.
बखनयः
और another word will be you read the line, it is easy. साध्य व्यक्तयः, it is given. याः साध्य व्यक्तयः ताश्चापि साध्यता अवच्छेदकम यद वन्नित्वम तद अवच्छिन्नाः. तो तद अवच्छिन्नाः के साध्य व्यक्तयः. साध्य व्यक्तिज आर अवच्छिन्न by the वन्नित्व अवच्छेदक. This is not difficult line. Once again I will go through this sentence. You imagine without this tippani what will you do? वन्निमान धूमात् इति अत्र साधनम धूमः. साधनता धूमनिष्ठा. तदवच्छेदकम धूमत्वम. Means this actually is the homework of each student. We should do this. We should sit and do this only. If we are given only this much vakya. साधनता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साधनाश्रय आश्रित साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा. So sadhana is, first you take first word, sadhana. Sadhana is dhuma. Sadhanata will be
धूमत्वा
sadhanata is dhumatvam.
धूमनिष्ठा
Dhumanishtha means
धूमनिष्ठा
Dhumanishtha means sadhanata will remain in dhuma. Sadhanata is dhumanishtha. If I say ghatata is bhutala nishtha, means not that ghatata equals bhutala nishtha. Ghatata is in bhutala. It's just an expression of saying. So sadhanata is dhumanishtha, means sadhanata is in dhuma, because sadhana is dhuma. Tadavachedakam dhumatvam. Its avachedaka is dhumatva. Tadavachinna sarve dhuma vyaktayah. They become sadhana rupaha. Tad ashrayaha सर्वे पक्षाः पर्वतादयः. तान् एव आश्रिता या साध्य व्यक्तयः. साध्य व्यक्तयः ताः च अपि साध्यता अवच्छेदकम यद वन्यत्वम तदवच्छिन्ना एव तासाम धूमत्वावच्छिन्न धूमि व्यक्तीनां वन्यत्वावच्छिन्न वन्य व्यक्तीनां यत् समानाधिकरण्यम actually समान अधिकरण्यम either it should be समान अधिकरणम यत् सामानाधिकरण्यम धूमत्वावच्छिन्न धूम व्यक्तीनां वन्यत्वावच्छिन्न वन्य व्यक्तीनां धूमत्वावच्छिन्न धूम व्यक्ति मीन्स प्रत्येक धूम ईच धूम and वन्यत्वावच्छिन्न वन्य व्यक्ति will be each वन्य their समानाधिकरण्यम यत् समानाधिकरण्यम means here it should be samana. So first should be samana, second should be samana. Samanadhikaranyam. What is samanadhikaranyam? समान अधिकरणे पर्वतादौ वृत्तित्वम. Not सामानाधिकरणे. समान अधिकरणे पर्वतादौ वृत्तित्वम is सामानाधिकरण्यम. समान अधिकरण is पर्वत. पर्वतादौ वृत्तित्वम कस्य पर्वतादौ वृत्तित्वम कस्य
वह्नेः
if I say केशाम
वह्नीनां
वन्य व्यक्तीनां. You have to see the line itself. Answers are given there. वृत्तित्वम कस्य वन्य व्यक्तीनां धूम व्यक्तीनां च. Both सामानाधिकरण्यम धूम व्यक्तीनां वन्य व्यक्तीनां. When we say there is samanadhikaranyam, means samana adhikaranata, it will be always of two things, not one. Dhuma vyaktinam vanya vyaktinam cha samanadhikaranyam. Parvatadau vrittitvam. In parvata, what is there? Dhuma is there or vanya is there?
both are there.
So samanadhikaranyam of both. यत्र यत्र धूमस् तत्र तत्र वह्निः इत्यादि रूपम. तदेव रूपम यस्याः व्याप्तेः. तदेव रूपम यस्याः व्याप्तेः सा तथा. सा तथा. सा तथा मीन्स what is tatha? What is tatha?
विमान धूमात्
No. What is sa? Okay, tell me what is sa?
व्याप्तिः
Vyapti. So tatha. Tatha will be the entire samasa vigraha is that.
साधनता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साधनाश्रय आश्रित साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साध्य सामानाधिकरण रूपा
सा रूपा. साधनता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साधनाश्रयाश्रित साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा. सा तथा. सा व्याप्ति ही तथा means of this रूपा. This is what it said. Vedanta Paribhasha, you will have to give extra time. Vedanta Paribhasha is not like Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, you have to have Nirmamatvam, you have to have Niravimanattvam, you have to cultivate. Here, just to do the Pankti, you will have to put double the effort, triple the effort. So here the entire emphasis is on how I understand the Vakya itself. In Moolam, it is given only this much. Ashesha sadhana shrayashrita sadhya samanadikaranya rupa. Then in that he added avachedaka avachinna for sadhanata and sadhyata. Then Tippanikar added what is sadhanata, what is tadavachedaka, etc., etc. And this whole sentence became this long. This is only to show yatra yatra dhumas satra tatra vanni. For this, all these padas are put. So, sadharana Vedanta Grantha, Prakarana Grantha, if it takes X amount of effort, 3 times as much you have to give for this text. If you have done enough homework in Vyakarana, means in how to put the sentences, etc., and in Nyaya, then that 3 times may be only 2 times or 2.5 times. With the grace of this Tippani. If this Tippani is not there, you will have to put extra effort. So this is not something that you will just listen and say, ah, yes. You will have to do this Vakya. This is the first Prakarana Grantha where you start doing the advanced texts. Bhumavan, Vanne, Rityadav. Now, somebody is asking or having an objection. Dhumavan Vannehe. What is the sadhya? Somebody else say, don't say. Those people who already know, then they should not say. Those who don't know, they should try to answer this.
Sadhya is Vanni.
Sadhya is Vanni. Somebody else? How many of you agree with Sadhya is Vanni? Raise your hands. Sadhya is Dhuma here. In this Vakya, this is separate sentence now. Dhumavan, Vannehe. What is Vannehe?
Papaksha.
Huh? What is Vannehe? Who said?
That will be the sadhana, Swamiji.
Vannehe is which vibhakti?
Panchami Vibhakti.
Pancham.
Vannehe is Panchami.
Pancham.
Panchami is Hetu. So, Dhumavan. Paksha is not given. They have only said Dhumavan. So, something is Dhumavan. वन्य है, वन्य इति हेतु। दिस इज सद हेतु और असद हेतु।
असद हेतु।
असद हेतु इत्यादौ। व्हाई इट इज असद हेतु?
यत्र यत्र धूम तत्र तत्र वह्नि would be sat, but यत्र यत्र वह्नि तत्र तत्र धूम is not possible. Not
You have to give me reason.
Because there is upati.
Not bada.
Upati.
Upadhi. Upadhi is there. So you say it is sopadhika hetu. Or you say there is vyabhichara. There is a place where Vanni is, Dhuma is not. Hetu is there, Sadhya is not there. Vyabhichara. Vyabhicharitvat asad hetu. धूमवान वन्नेहे इत्यादौ यथा कथंचित महानसीय वन्नि व्यक्त्या महानसीय धूम व्यक्ति साधने अपि नाति प्रसंगः. So somebody says all you are saying is dhuma and vanni has samanadhikaranyam. So dhumavan vanne hai, if you do this way also dhuma and vanni has samanadhikaranyam. Where yatha kathanchit mahanasiya vanni vyakti, you take mahanasiya vanni and mahanasiya dhuma. Mahanasiya vanni is sadhya, mahanasiya dhuma is sadhana. So there if it is true, dhumavan vanne hai, there also it will become true. What is dhumavan? Mahanasa dhumavan. Tasmat vanne hai. Siddhanti says, in this sadhana, na ati prasanga. Na ati prasanga means there this will not apply. Vyapti definition will not apply there where if you say dhumavan vanne. Why? Because in Mahanasa it is seen. यद्यपि तत्र महानसीय धूमवन्योः सामानाधिकरण्यं दृष्टम्, तथापि अयोगोलके व्यभिचारात्, दिस इज द व्यभिचार. इन अयोगोलक देयर इज व्यभिचार. महानसीय धूमवन्नी व्याप्ति डेफिनेशन विल apply there or not?
Yes.
Yes. In Mahanasya Vanni it will be there. But in Ayogolaka there is Vyabhichara. Ayogolaka Vyabhicharat. Why? Sadhanata avachedaka avachinena vannina samanadhikaranyam nasti dhumasya. साध्यता अवच्छेद साधनता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न इज वन्नी, तेन सामानाधिकरण्यम धूमस्य साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्नस्य नास्ति इति भावः. In other words, this vyapti definition will apply only for sadhetu. See, second number tippani, he covered all these things. Now continue in the टीका. एवं च यत्किंचित् वन्यादि साधनाश्रयाश्रितं यत्किंचित् धूमादि साध्य सामानाधिकरण्यम् आदाय पर्वतो धूमवान् वन्नेः इत्यादि असद हेतोः नाति प्रसंगः. और असद हेतौ तू मात्र दर्ग. असद हेतौ, इन असद हेतु न अति प्रसंग. पर्वतो धूमवान वन्ने है. पर्वत हैज धूम बिकॉज देयर इज वन्नी. दिस इज असद हेतु. In that, ati prasanga will not happen. Ati prasanga will not happen means this vyapti lakshana will not go there. Nanu evam bhuta vyapti hi kena grihyate. This kind of vyapti, how we will recognize? Kena means kena karanena or kena vidhina. Na tavat tarkena. Tarka will not give. What is tarka? Anybody? What is tarka?
Yukti.
Yukti is okay, but here you have to give definition. What is tarka first of all? You remember what is tarka in Tarka Sangraha? Means not tarka. Tell. Not Tarka Sangraha, that Tarka. Okay, Jnanam. How many types of Jnanam is there?
आपाद्य अभावेन आपादक अभावसिद्धिः तर्कः
Apadya Bhavena Apadak.
भावसिद्धिः
In Moolam, how it is given? Vyapya Aropena. You know where Tarka fits in the whole picture? Tarka Sangraha. How many types of Jnanam are there? You just answer my questions. How many types of Jnanam? What is happening?
Swamiji, Tarka is Vyapya Aropena, Vyapaka Arop.
How many types of Jnanam is there?
Yathartha, Ayathartha Jnana.
2 types
2 types of.
No, what is happening? What is Jnanam? You say Yathartha, Ayathartha.
Tarka, Viparya, Samshaya,
What are they?
Apta Vakya.
What did you all eat today? Jnanam is 2 types, Smriti and Anubhava. Anubhava is of 2 types, Yathartha, Ayathartha. Ayathartha Anubhava is of three types, Samshaya, Viparya, Tarka. So Jnanam, in Jnanam there is Smriti, Anubhava. In Anubhava there are 2, Yathartha, Ayathartha. In Ayathartha there are 3, Samshaya, Viparya, Tarka. These fundamental definitions itself you don't remember, you have to have the whole structure in mind. There, this definition, what is Tarka? So, it is given, Vyapya Aropena, Vyapaka Aropaha. Next line you see, Na tavat Tarkena, Vyapya Aropena, Vyapaka Aropasya, Tasya Vyapti Adhinatvat. This is not satisfactory. Means this is the condition, then how will you study further? न तावत् तर्केण व्याप्यारोपेण व्यापक आरोपस्य तस्य व्याप्ति अधीनत्वात्. तर्क इज व्याप्ति अधीन. व्याप्य आरोप, what is व्याप्य आरोप? व्याप्य आरोप means यदि वह्निर् न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोऽपि न स्यात्. This is tarka. Tarka will be done by Purva Paksha, the one who wants to do Akshepa. If we say Vyapya is Dhuma, Vyapaka is Vanni, right? So when the Akshepa is done, Vyapya will become Vanni Abhava. Vyapaka will be Dhuma Abhava. Yadi Vanni na syat means Yadi Vanni Abhava syat, tarhi Dhuma Abhava pi syat. If Vanni is not there, Dhuma also will not be there. But Dhuma is there. So this Tarka is Vyapti Adhina. Therefore, Tarka will not prove Vyapti. Tarka requires Vyapti. When can I say Yadi Vanni na syat tarhi Dhumapi na syat? Can I say Yadi Vanni na syat tarhi Simhopi na syat?
No, Swami.
Yadi Vanni na syat tarhi Vrukshopi na syat? Why cannot I say such things? Because there is no Vyapti between
Jnana.
Vanni and Vriksha, Vanni and Simha. Karya Karana Bhava is between Vanni and Dhuma. Dhumasya Vanni Janyatvat. Dhuma is Vanni Janya. व्याप्य आरोपेण व्यापक आरोपस्य तस्य व्याप्ति अधीनत्वात्. So Tarka will not be able to give Vyapti Jnana. Tarka requires Vyapti Jnana. Napi Sahachara Darshanena, Purva Paksha says, Sahachara Darshana also cannot give Vyapti. Why? Sakrit Darshane Bhuyo Darshane cha Tasmin Kvachit Vyabhichara Upalambhat iti Ashankya. Sakrit Darshane Bhuyo Darshane cha. Sakrit Darshana means one time. Bhuyo Darshana means repeatedly. Sakrit Darshane Bhuyo Darshane cha. Kvachit Vyabhichara Upalambhat. Sometimes Vyabhichara is Upalabdha. Sometimes there will be Vyabhichara. And therefore, he says Sahachara or Darshana also cannot give Vyapti. Siddhanti says, Ityashankyaha Sacha. Sacha Vyabhichara Adarshane Sati Sahachara Darshane na Grihyate. Saka
Vyaptihi.
Vyaptihi. Vyabhichara Adarshane Sati Sahachara Darshane na. So when you don't see Vyabhichara and you see Sahachara, then you can do Vyapti Graha. Tacha Sahachara Darshanam Bhuyo Darshanam Sakrit Darshanam va. This Sahachara you should see again and again, or Sahachara you should see only once. Sahachara Darshanam, Bhuyo Darshanam, or Sakrit Darshanam. So Siddhanti says, Iti Vishesho na Adaraniya. Why this sentence has come? Because in Nyaya they say Sahachara Darshanam should be Bhuyo Darshanam. In Vedanta we say Sahachara Darshanam is one time enough. That's why question is whether you need many times. Many times you should see Vanni Dhuma, Vanni Dhuma, Vanni Dhuma Sahachara, or once you saw Vanni Dhuma over. Siddhanti says once if you see Sahachara, as long as you don't see Vyabhichara, it is enough. But I'll tell you practicality of this. Let us say one time somebody wakes up at 4 o'clock and comes to Arati at 4:55. Can you have the Vyapti that this person always comes to Arati?
No.
So in Laukika Vyavahara, we don't make a statement just because we see it one time. Vedanti says as long as you don't see him not coming, or if as long as you don't see that, you don't see him not coming, you say he comes every day for Arati. Because you don't have a ground to reject it yet. Similarly, if somebody, let's say, answers one question in Vedanta Paribhasha, can we say that person knows Vedanta Paribhasha? Yes or no?
No,
No,
Swamiji.
Swamiji. So the implication is that both should, the person who is seeing the
Vyabhichara
Sahachara
Adarshan and
Darshanam
Sahachara
and the
Darshan.
Sahachara both should.
Vyabhichara Adarshanam also you should see. Means you should not see that there is Vyabhichara. And you should see Sahachara. Siddhanti says once if you see Vanni Dhuma, you say there is Vyapti. As long as you don't see Vyabhichara, that Vanni is there, Dhuma is there, but Vanni is not there. If such thing is there, then you will say no. But otherwise, once it is enough. In other words, see the next sentence. Sahachara darshanasya eva prayojakatva. What is prayojaka is not bhuyo darshanam or sakrit darshanam. What is prayojaka is sahachara darshanam. If sahachara is there, it is okay. What is the definition of sahachara given in Nyaya Bodhini? Sahachara means Samanadhikaranya. They are in the same adhikara. Tika, I will just complete this. Tacha sakrit darshanam bhuyo darshanam va iti apekshayamaha. Is it sakrit darshanam or bhuyo darshanam? It doesn't matter. Grihita sahacharasya vyapti graha darshanat agrihita sahacharasya vyapti graha adarsanat cha iti अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम सहचार दर्शनस्य हेतुत्व सिद्ध्या लाघवात् तस्यैव प्रयोजकत्वं न तु तद् विशेषस्य इति आह। गृहीत सहचारस्य व्याप्ति ग्रह दर्शनात् गृहीत सहचार गृहीत सहचार येन सह गृहीत सहचारः तस्य व्याप्ति ग्रह दर्शनात् व्याप्ति ग्रह व्हाट इज ग्रह What is graha?
Jnanam.
Correct. Vyapti graha darshanat. Agrihita sahacharasya vyapti graha adarsanat. The one who does not have sahachara grahanam, he will not have vyapti grahanam. One, in simple English, the one who has sahachara jnanam will have vyapti jnanam. The one who does not have sahachara jnanam will not have vyapti jnanam. इति अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम. सो अन्वय व्यतिरेक इज सिंपल. सहचार दर्शनस्य हेतुत्व सिद्ध्या लाघवात्. सहचार दर्शन इज हेतुत्व, नॉट भूयो सहचार दर्शनम इज नॉट नेसेसरी. तस्यैव प्रयोजकत्वम, न तो तद विशेषस्य. विशेष मीन्स एनी विशेषण लाइक भूयो सहचार दर्शनम और एवरी मंडे सहचार दर्शनम, नॉट नेसेसरी. सहचार दर्शनम एक सकृत इज इनफ. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.